Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Cook with Rayo. In today's video, I'm gonna be filming how to make pasta white sauce. This is so delicious, so stay tuned while we dive into this video. For this recipe, I'm gonna be using some chicken breast, some prawn, butter, flour, minced garlic, chopped onion, cooking cream, a cup of milk, black pepper, salt, and seasoning cube to taste. You can check the description box for the full details. So the first thing we want to do is to stir fry our chicken breast. I'm just gonna melt the butter, then transfer my chicken breast, then stir it continuously till it's well fried for about 8 to 10 minutes. Once it's fully cooked, we're gonna transfer it into a clean bowl, then we're gonna stir fry our prawn. And this process shouldn't take less than 3 minutes on each side. Once it's fully cooked, we are going to transfer it into another bowl. And we are going to add more butter into the pan and let it melt. After fully melt, we are going to be adding our minced garlic and chopped onion. So for this recipe, onion is optional, but if you like it in your white sauce, you can literally add it. Just gonna stir fry our onion for like a minute, and then we're gonna add our flour and then stir it well. And this method is to avoid any lumps from the sauce. After the milk is well coated with the butter, we are going to be adding the milk bit by bit. But if you have whisk, it's better to use it so you don't end up with any lumps. But I do not have it, so you can still use your spoon or whatever it is that you want. You're just gonna add your milk bit by bit till you finish it all, and then make sure that you are cooking this on a very low heat. Next thing we want to be doing is to add our cooking cream and just let it simmer for 5 minutes, nothing more than 5 minutes, please. So stir thoroughly to combine, and then if it is too thick for you, you can add more milk if you wish, but if you like your sauce super thick, just leave it as it is. Then so we're going to be adding our seasoning cube, salt, and black pepper. Then we are going to stir this thoroughly to combine. And I'm going to be adding my protein, my chicken breast, and the prawn. So with this recipe, you can exclude chicken breast. You can just use everything seafood. So it depends on your tooth. Just simmer for 1 minute, and after then I'm going to be setting some aside. Then I'm gonna be adding my pasta. So this can be served with any pasta of your choice, from spaghetti to rings to penne, anything. And then our white sauce is ready to serve. I hope you enjoyed this video. So if this is your first time on my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. See you in my next video. Love you all. Bye.